Hello amigos, how is everybody doing? I hope you had a beautiful weekend. And today, as you can probably see by the title, I'm going to show you where you can find and how you can edit an intro for your YouTube channel, like the one, for example, that YouTube Mckinnon uses, or the one that I have been using sometimes on this channel. So let's jump right in the computer and let's check it out. The first thing that you want to do for this is to open Video Hive. I'm going to leave the link on the description down below. By the way, this is not a sponsored video by any way. I really wanted to show you guys how you can find and how you can edit these intros if you want to use them by your YouTube channel. It really helps you to save a lot of time, and I think by the prices that they have, they are really amazing. Let's jump right into it. Now, you are right here. This is the main page of the site, and we want to write, for example, you can write intro in After Effects, or glitch intro is what they use. They have thousands of intros that you can choose about. For example, let's go into glitch intro. I hope I'm writing that correctly. Without the T maybe. Glitch intro, yeah. Sorry about that. And here you can find some of them. I think, for example, let's take a look at this one. I'm going to mute the sound because you never know if they are copyrighted music with this, but look how this is looking. And this is the intro that you could use for your channel. You only have to modify what's there, the colors maybe. And they are really easy to modify and to change in After Effects, because mostly what I'm looking right now is in After Effects. They also have for another programs, but this is the one that I use, so you can check them out depending on the program that you're using. I think, I don't remember the one, but I'm pretty sure that I find here one time the one that Peter Mckinnon uses on his videos. But as you can see, for example, this is another one right here. Just check this one out. They are around the same quality, they are around the same style. They have tons of different styles on displays. And like I say, I think it's really worth it. It's going to give your YouTube videos more quality, more professional looking quality to them. For example, this one right here is $24. And for the time that you are going to save by editing this right here and not making it yourself, it's already worth it, the $24 price. Just you have to know one thing. The music that is in the intro is not included on the price, okay? As you can see, where they have it in this place. They don't show it right here, but a lot of time you're going to find here or somewhere around here the music that they use for the intro, so you can buy it separately, okay? But if you don't want to use that and you want to find your own music, you can go right here into Epidemic Sound. It's one of the best places to find sound, music, sound effects, everything that you need for your YouTube videos. I'm not sponsored by them. I know they sponsor a lot of YouTubers, but I do have a referral link down in the comments down below that will give you a free month and will also give me one free month. So if you want to use it, there is it, okay? For example, I know because I have here it already that the sound, the music that Peter Mckinnon uses is from Epidemic Sound. I'm not going to look for this right now, but here they have amazing sounds that you can use for your videos. So I already have one of these intros that I buy, that is the one that I use for my channel. Let's open it in After Effects and I'm going to show you guys how you can edit it and work it. By the way, my friends, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already and you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell so you know every time I upload a new video. Let's go back into the tutorial. I mistake before, I said it was in After Effects. You can also edit it there, but I'm going to use Premiere Pro for this one. As you can see, I have it opened here already. And this is the intro has come from when you buy it. It's telling me that it's not a font, but it's not a problem. You can change the fonts and everything. It's a really cool intro, isn't it? So what you want to do, sometimes when you get these intros, they come with a little bit of a help, let's say a help file that shows you what you have to do and how you have to place your video and your audio on it, and how you can change everything, and how you can personalize it for you. You can see, for example, here you have the placeholders. These are the videos. Then you have the text that you want to change, the logo, and at the end you also have the final render. For example, the placeholder number 1, you can double click on it, and then you take, for example, let's take one small video and we put it here. It's not important, I'm only making it right now for the tutorial. And now when you go into the final render, it's going to be there. You see? Only for 1 second. So you have to add more for this to look good. For example, placeholder 2, let's look for another file. I don't know what to add. Let's put this right here. And in placeholder number 3. Remember guys, I'm only making this only to show you a little bit about how this works out, not because I want to make it like this. I already have mine, but I don't use it anymore. Oh, for example. And now we can go into the final render. And there. You can see like how this is looking. It's really easy to do, really easy to change. If you want to change the text, you go again into the project here and you change the elements. You have to double click on them. No, not there. I'm sorry. In the text right there. And you can modify it with your text tool right here and write anything that you want. For example, delete this. We write Enrique Cal present. For example, they are really easy to modify. The only thing that I want to tell you guys is that if you choose to use one of these intros, keep it under 10 seconds, because the people get really tired here in YouTube. They are not going to wait 30 seconds or 1 minute for one intro to finish. So guys, what do you think of the video? If you want a complete tutorial about this, tell me in the comments down below, maybe I can make it. But I think they are really easy to modify it and really easy to do. It's everything there. You don't need so much more. If you want to check out my final intro, I'm going to leave it right now there. What do you think of that? Have you enjoyed? Are you going to use it in your videos? Let me know in the comments down below. So let's take a look at the comments that you guys wrote on the last week video. Matthew Galardio Music, hello my friend. Thanks for the review. I'm looking to get a teleprompter for future videos, and this really is helping make me a decision. Oh, I'm really happy that this came in the right moment for you, and I hope it will really help you. Mixlody, fantastic little machine. I didn't even know such a device exists at this size. Amazing, share and find. I will use this channel to continue watching your videos until my new channel. Nice video, man. Thank you very much, my friend. I'm still waiting to see your new channel. Let me know when you make it. Udo, oh, this is really cool. Yeah, I also think so. It really helps when you want to do some technical things, and it's a little bit more easy to don't forget the things, so you don't have so much cuts in your videos and outtakes on them. And Faststar78, very useful little thing. Well done. Thank you very much, my friend. And so guys, if you're interested in knowing a little bit more about microphones for your videos and how to improve the quality of sound of them, I will make a review in the next days about this little thing. This is the Rode Video Micro. So stay tuned for that and subscribe if you haven't already to check that video out. I'm really happy that you was here. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Click the like button if you like it, dislike if you didn't like it, and like always guys, see you in the next time. Bye bye.